everyone and welcome to Lisa B. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we are going to focus on lower body and glutes. So this is going to be a perfect workout to tone those little legs and those buttocks. So let's get on with it. I don't know why I'm emphasising buttocks today. I'm going to say it again, buttocks. I like the sound of it. So let's lie down. We're going to warm up, but yeah, a very big focus on the lower body area. So just take a moment, take a few deep breaths. In through the nose, out through the mouth. So remember, you should be engaging the core on quite a few of these moves as well. It's not just about the legs and the bottom. Check the time because otherwise I just tend to run over. So let's start with some glute bridges. So feet aren't touching their hip distance apart. Inhale, exhale, belly in, tilt your pelvis back and lift. Peel off the mat. Picturing the pelvis peeling off vertebrae by vertebrae and coming down. So let's go for 10 of these. 1. Core is in, you're really squeezing the glutes, really squeezing the bottom. Try not to let the knees move around too much. So knees are still, everything else is nice and steady and controlled. 5 more. Keep pulling the abs in. Feeling this a little bit in the hamstrings as well. 8, 9, 10. And then we're going to lift again, then we're going to move the feet. So abs in, tilt the pelvis and lift. So now bring the feet close to you to come onto your tiptoes. So lower and lift for 10, 9, keep it high, 8, little pulses, 7, 6, 5, should be feeling this in the calf muscles, 3, 2, 1, let's go for 10 more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Place the feet back onto the mat, the whole of the feet are on the mat now step them forward to come onto your heels, so just on the heels. So 20 little pulses, keep the bottom lifted, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Whole of the feet back, lower the bottom. Just bring the knees in just to stretch out the lower back after that. Feet back on the mat. So inhale again, exhale, tummy muscles in, tilt back, tilt the pelvis back, lift. So right leg up towards the ceiling, point the toe. So now flex the foot as you lower, point the toe up for 1. 2 more. And down, nice and quiet. Left leg up, point the toe, and you flex on the way down. Don't let the hips drip. 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, and down. Lower the bottom. Bottom down, take your right leg up, flex the foot, get this right leg as straight as possible. Push through the left foot to lift up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Keep it lifted. Now come onto your left tiptoe. The heel is off the mat. Ooh, just hold it for 3, 2, 1. Drop the left heel. Now point that toe of this right leg that's going up. Now come out to the side. Bring that leg out to the side, away from the body. Bring it back up. Out to the side. 2 more, out to the side. Only a few inches, out to the side. And down. That is some serious work going on there with this other leg. So right foot on the mat, left leg up. Flex this left foot. Single leg glute bridge 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come up, lift the heel of this right foot. Hold it for 3, 2, 1 and down. Point this toe, come away from the body for 1. Back to centre. Out to the side. 2. Out to the side. 3. Out to the side. 4. And back down. That is just like no joke going on there. So lie onto the side of the body. You can be on your forearm or you can lie all the way down, kind of feeling in a forearm mood. So elbow under the shoulder, belly's in here. This is not just about the legs. So now we're gonna gracefully bring this top leg up, point the toe up, flex the foot down. Keep these low ribs away from that. Drag it up the leg, point the toe, flex the foot down. There's 2. Tummy muscles are pulled in the whole time. 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 more, 7, 8, and now we're going to bend the knees, place them so you can see the whole of the thighs, keep the knees stacked, keep the hips stacked, and now you're just going to open the knees, so keep the ankles together, don't let your body roll back, put your hand, top hand now on the hip, and don't let the hips roll back, you're just opening the knee. Let's go for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, should be really feeling this in the bottom, 3, 2, 1. Let's add on to that, lift the ankles off the mat. Same again, we're going to open, add a kick, heels together, knees together, open the knees, extend, together, together for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Sometimes I put this into my classes and I see a little grimace on people's faces when they're doing this. I'm not going to lie, I feel quite satisfied. They grimace, I smile. That's just the way it works, folks. That's just the way it works. 5 more, 1, 2, keeping steady everywhere else, try not to be leaning back. 2 more. And down, that was pretty serious. And then come over onto the other side. So let's do the whole thing on the other side. So onto the forearm, elbows, push the elbow into the mat, elbow directly into the shoulder, lift your low ribs, don't sink into it. We're not kind of chilling out, watching a bit of TV. We are doing a bit of Pilates, so push through the elbow, lift the low ribs. Legs in a nice straight line, pull your tummy muscles in. Really just pull that leg up, point the toe, lift, extend, flex the foot on the way down. There's 2, 3, trying to keep the torso really nice and still. 4, it's actually quite tough to keep the torso still. You kind of want to let it rock and roll around, try not to do that. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good, bend the knees, ankles together, going into the clam. So all you're doing is open and close. 2, 3. So I've done quite a lot of stretch videos, so probably the leg or full body stretches are really nice to do after one of these Pilates videos. It's always beneficial to stretch at any point in the day. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lift the ankles, open, extend, together, together. Open, extend, together, together. So again, keeping the elbow pushing into the mat, lower ribs away from the mat. Keep this open chest, open posture. Keeping everything else nice and still. You should be really feeling this in the bottom. Let's go for 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and down. You can give your bottom a little bit of a rub, and then we're going to lie down onto the stomach. So you can rest your chin on your hands here. So all you're going to do is inhale, exhale, tummy muscles in. So now I'm going to lift my legs off the mat. I'm going to lift my head and shoulders, but my hands are down. Now I'm going to, legs are straight. You're squeezing your bottom like your life depends on it. Now beat the heels together, open and close. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and done. Now bend the knees, heels together. Now I'm gonna rest my head down now. I'm gonna lift my thighs off the mat, squeezing the glutes. So lift and lower for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Push up, come into 4-point kneeling, knees under the hips, wrists under the shoulders. Pulling the belly in again, right leg back, point the toe. Let's go for 20 straight leg lifts. Core is in, arms are straight. Lift a little bit higher on the bottom, don't let the lower back collapse. Abs are in for 1, 2, really squeeze the bottom, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Straighten the arms. I know you've just started to let them bend. Pull the tummy muscles in. I know you're relaxing them. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. Straighten the leg, point the toe. Straighten the arms, pull the belly in, tuck the pelvis. Lift and lower for 1, 2, 3. Keep breathing. Keep the arms straight, awareness that the core is being pulled in. Don't swing that leg around, really use the bottom, the glutes to lift it. Last 10 right here. Straighten those arms, pull the belly in. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and done. Oh, thank you so much, beautiful people. Again, please subscribe. It's super important to subscribe and just let me know how you, not how you feel about the video, but just, yeah, please comment, let me know if you've got any requests for videos that you'd like me to do. And going over and doing one of the stretch videos will be really beneficial to you right now because you've really just used your muscles. So go and stretch them out and feel good about it. And yeah, hope to see you soon. Press subscribe, check out my other videos. Have a beautiful day and see you soon.